Oh, sige, man.
Tara, man. Holy.
Dari ka. Ay,
Oh, hell no, dog.
okay lang, bro. Oh, shit, man. Oh, labang ka. Labang ka. Labang ka sa akin, bro. Labang ka. Labang ka.
Oh, shit, dog.
Ay, ba. Lalaban to. Labang ka. Labang ka. Labang ka. Labang ka. Labang ka. Diyan ka lang.
Yo, they're taking so much damage.
Alexis, tulungan mo kaya? Holy crap, yo, Alexis, now what are you doing?
Watching TV, man.
Ay, nako.
Yo, what's happening, bro?
Ay, nako.
What's happening?
Yo, shut up, you stupid
Shut
ass.
up, yo.
My God.
I'm here.
Ay, sarap, man.
Yo, it's all go. Malakas na ba si Olaf, Ramon?
Kabila.
Nakita ko siya sa LCS, yo. Surprisingly.
Only on certain matchups. I mean, pag Lulu yung mid, most likely mag-o-Olaf.
Depende sa disable kasi Olaf OP eh. Pag ano sa disable.
You getting one?
Like, itong team na to, like, ang daming slow. So, pwedeng OP si Olaf sa matchup. Maraming CC.
Lock na.
Ito talaga ako. Yo, heal material yourself.
Yeah. Heal.
Yan, ang galing.
Wow, kill him. Easy money, baby.
Lagging too, eh.
Hindi pa yan. Oh. Yan, baka na, please.
After this.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Bakit naman nun?
Ready, I'll go ward, eh. Ward item.
Dalawa sila may TP, di ba? Yung mid lane may TP.
Oh shit. Shit's going down in jungle.
Yo, top missing yo. Papunta rin.
Yeah, alam ko.
Brother,
You need help? Yeah.
Hindi, okay lang.
we're gonna go ham, eh.
Chill lang.
Because, so, I think we're ahead, so...
I'm level 2. I'm level 2. You're
Kung gusto
level
nila
3.
lumaban. Kung gusto nila lumaban, we're fine.
Hindi makakagalaw.
Punta tayo dyan, oh.
Yo, pumunta dyan si yung mid.
Pa-top lane nyo. Patay ka.
Dito ako.
So, gosh, this dagger.
Egg, baby. Yo, fuck fight me.
Oh my gosh.
Fucking broken, man.
You're dead.
Shit. Yo, man. I'm fucking broken, dude. Come on, man. Tingnan mo ang buhay nila.
I don't have mana to fight. Oh my gosh. I had no mana. Sure.
Disrespect.
Good luck of nakakainis maglaro.
wala eh. Apat yata sila dun eh.
Yo,
Ito lang, man.
Grabe sa like sa exaggeration. Dahil lang namatay ka. Top missing.
Skip a damage.
So,
Kaya mo nang buff yung
mid
pinatay.
missing ah.
Ano nangyari?
yung ano, yung slow na tower.
Oh, power. Okay.
Natras ako.
Someone's TPing mid.
Fuck.
So, oh my gosh, punta na naman dyan si Aniga. Yun, nandiyan siya.
Nandiyan na sila tatlo ulit.
Noob, man. Ito. Kaya Nibia. Walang egg.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna die again.
Oh, magali. Ayan, wala naman silang TP, man.
Can I have it? Thanks.
Yan lang, man. Nakita niya sa jungle, yo.
Ang kulit ng jungler natin, yung pabalag-balag dito. May egg ba to?
Wala kang egg ang pulit. Hindi pa sinabi.
Kanina kaya nga, laban. Sabi sa'yo, bro, I'ma feed you, dog. Wala ngang egg yan. Feed na ng jungle nila.
Wala kill.
Oh my gosh.
OP yung kill.
Chano, we can fight. Definitely. But you need
Can I have
to
blue?
be ahead.
Or no?
No, man.
Okay,
Fuck you.
can I have it?
That's like you wanted level 3.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, dog. Ang kulit na itong dito ko. Ayaw sumama sa akin eh. Dapat triple kill lagi yun eh.
Eh, okay lang. I'm still positive.
Yeah, cause of me, man.
Walang damage na, tingnan mo. Walang damage siya. Galing.
Yo, he's tanking the minions. What the heck?
Wala siyang bawa sa akin.
Galing yun, man. Walang damage siya. Bobo yun. At zero. Fighting, man. Force fight air all day. Damage, bitches. Damage.
Eh, wala yung mid. Guys, wanna die bot?
Yo.
Dito ako.
Yeah, I'm baiting. Yeah, let's go. Kill this guy.
I'm gonna make this right.
Okay, man, make it right.
Walang ulti yung ano.
Make it right, bro. Make it right. Patingin nga na ako. Wala na.
Never mind.
Wala na. Hindi na.
See?
Ay, make it right, bro. Make it right.
Walang damage siya. Tingnan mo.
Tatag ko ba to eh? I'm gonna make it right.
Oo, make it right. Mamatay kay Andy, ah. Kung sasama ka ngayon, pag pumunta ako sa jungle nila.
Ako? Sige lang.
Oo, ikaw.
Ano ba na ba tayong tatalo, man? Yung Trundle Q, man. Nirarush ako ng Trundle para mabukasan ako ng damage.
What the heck? TP tong sa tayo.
Hindi naman tayo natalo eh. Natalo lang tayo nung dumatay sila sa Juan.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Don't let Trundle tell you.
Oh my gosh. That's fucking damage.
Yo, Kaki, man.
Bahala ka na dyan.
Sige, pahala na ako. Tulungan mo nga ako.
Thanks. Oh my gosh.
Ano yan, asshole?
Kailangan.
I'm backing, I'm backing.
Sige, back pa lang. Back pa lang.
Pakay mo.
Oh, fight me, bro.
JC, alam mo ginagawa niya?
Nakain ka niya.
Saan tayo?
We're gonna win this. Patience lang.
Yeah, don't fight muna, they're ahead.
That's right, bro. You don't wanna fight me.
Focus on harap.
We can fight. We can fight. Sige mo na lang. Ano yan?
Oh, incoming! Incoming!
Ayun lang.
Sa Giovanni.
Wala akong pakialam. Oh my gosh, dito rin nakakapag-dive. Pinigilan ako ni Jano eh.
Yo, shut up, man.
Oh, shit. Oh, tingnan mo, life ko, man.
Patay ito.
Diyan na sila.
Ay, putek. Nakita ako.
Papatayin ko to for you.
Okay, man. Ay, isa pa.
Tanky!
Draw, wala bawas.
Aba.
Oh my gosh, I'm dead!
Matay ka pa.
Amazing
Lakas ng loob.
grace.
He sucks dick, though.
XP, ayaw mo. Okay.
Ayaw ko. Wala ako, bro. Wala ako.
My gosh, yo. Patay.
Aray, tama na, please.
Yo, she used everything, bro.
I am here, bro.
Wow.
I got the sword, by the way.
Wait for my ult for fight.
Focus mo lang yung Trundle, yo.
I'm ready for it.
Wow, that hurts. Almost killed me.
Dalag ako. Maybe. Nice.
Si Giovanni, ha? Baka mapuntang mid. Oh, get fucking bursted, bro.
That hurts, man. What the heck? Didn't even get stunned.
Pag natamaan ka lang yung ano niya.
Game?
Sana ma-ult.
Oh, game na ako. Game na, oh, wag na, hindi na ako game. Hindi na ako game. Oh, tama.
What the heck is that damage, bro?
Tinatamaan ka nga ng ano yun, ice. It does double the damage. Sige,
Ganon?
yeah, man.
Dalag talaga ako. Hindi ko maintindihan. Don't fight. Ang lagi.
Get ready, though.
That's freaking gay, man. No skill.
Go, I'm going mid, yo.
No skill.
Sa Giovanni is here.
Yeah. 10 seconds akong ult. 10 seconds ang ult ko.
Sige yan, though.
Yo, 5.
Oh my gosh, we have the same score now, too?
Wala na ako, bro. Wala na ako. Chill. Yo, Lex. Tatuloy ako.
Game!
I'll cover me.
Puta, kinuha pa.
What the heck?
Asshole, man.
I'm the carry mid, bro.
I'm the carry jungle, bro.
Top Stop.
Winning ka ba naman?
Yeah.
I'll get the scout on, get the scout on.
Kunin mo.
Ano ko? Kaya natin. May spike na ako.
You're not funny, bro. Shut up.
Kulit.
Wala yung ult. Shit, upspike lang bro.
Ayun yun, the frick? Sila, ibaw yung kalaban.
Wow.
I try man, I try.
Dalag pa ako. Daling araw na nagdalag pa ako.
Oh, Gucci. Yeah, I'm getting a bit of the winking. After static shift.
Tama ng blue mo bro.
OP nga yun, tignan mo yung ult ko. Laging may extra magic resist and armor pen. Armor pala. Passive. Plus 20 armor and magic pen.
Agad I need.
Tatalon ako sa top.
Yeah.
Yo, bot MIA.
Tama dito ako.
Bot MIA.
Wala si ano, wala yung mid. Wala yung mid.
David.
Wait, they're all tap. Keep pushing.
Yo, yeah.
Ay, sayang. Sige, push back. Sa top sila lahat.
Man, closer ka, bro.
Dalag ako eh.
Nagalag? Fucking hell, sayang. It's okay, I killed him.
Galingan ka. Word for you.
Wala talagang follow pang mid natin.
Whoa. Pushing.
Listen, bro, it's a gift, it's us. I guess never gonna follow us ever, man.
I'm pushing.
Di ba may yun?
Yo, check out the computer.
Kasi yun yung grid eh.
Yung mga lalapit dito lang. Yo, yan, cancel.
He doesn't even know how to attack, bro.
Got towers. Nakakaya pa to. Nalagi naman, so we can do it. Last game, I wanna win.
Oo nga, Jano. You wanna win, yo.
Shut the hell up, bro. Don't even get me started, bro.
Just this once, bro.
Yung tanan ka dito.
10 seconds pa ako eh.
Gusto kayo, may TP ako.
Maglalakad na lang ako.
Yo, everyone, oh shit.
Sige.
Yo, push.
Dito ako. Ayan, labanin mo.
Sa pa. Ooh.
Isa what the frick? Exhaust. Sayang exhaust.
Daw siya yun, ha?
Sayang ng exhaust.
Game. Patayin natin. May ulti ka. Ramon.
Kevin and MVP. Can you find that?
Nandito ako.
Okay.
Kang lakas yan yun.
Aaraw na ako na to.
Dito na ako.
Pag tinama mo ng isang ano. Oh my gosh. So strong.
Relax lang, bro.
I'm gonna keep pushing.
Yo, let's mid.
I still have you.
Dive bot, tara.
Yo, we can dive that.
Go.
Gotcha, actually.
Ikot.
Yeah.
Oh god, help me. Oh my god.
Oh my. Oh, I hate my life.
Yun ang iingatan natin, Renin, but
Dikit-dikit na naman tayo eh.
you know what? I'm gonna buy a pocket.
Oh my god, that's so
Buy
gay.
it up. Actually, this sa ligo.
Uy, sino na naliligo, man? Fuck. Takbo. Pre. Uy, may drag na.
Others there.
TP ako. Sa top lang ako, mag-TP ako.
Pupunta na sila sa baba. Pupunta na sila.
Still coming. Fuck yeah.
Yo, may word na ako.
Nagrakit ako. Get
What? TV.
Fight it.
Yo, someone get back.
Yo, focus. Dito.
Laser shit.
Tara, push. Wala tayong magagawa yun. Guys, wanna take Baron?
Sige, may jump ako.
Wala tayong minions here. We can push. We can do it. That's why Olaf yun. Attack damage yun. But
Drago. I don't think they will.
May jump ako ah.
you guys are taking too long though. Tara, game. Wag na yan. Never mind that, yo.
I said we should bait.
Wait lang.
Bait mo.
Wait, they don't know, bro. They don't know. Pasok lang tayo. Pakita ka si bakit.
Okay, just focus it. They don't know.
Hindi na mo.
Don't know.
Close. Oh shit. Oh, I don't want that.
Let's go siege mid, yo. Iba na sa... Tangan Thunder support to, man. Ano, eh. Wala.
Ano, saan na to? Chano?
Siguro mo na ako lang.
Ayun na ako. May Randuins na ako.
Ginawa nila yung blue. Almost 100% sure.
Karong ka.
We need wards on the side, yan.
Never mind.
Uy, tumatalon na ako.
Are you serious? Oh.
Okay. Just defense, yo. Yeah, you gotta ward the sides, bro. They're gonna flank. Yeah, just back nyo lang. Mahirapan sila mag-push, yo.
Hindi yung mga mag-push.
Ba't mo ba pa kanya? Ano ba yan? Pa kanya?
Kasi lakas yung loob, men. Kahit kasi loob siya. Dami.
Subat na lang mo.
Wala, sa tower lang.
Guys, sa tower lang. I'm here.
Oh,
I'm here.
Oh, what the frick?
What the heck?
walang egg eh.
Egg na siguro yung mga. Fucked up, bro. What the frick?
Why did he TP? Was that a bluff?
Try it.
Kaya siguro
I
mag-isa.
got it.
Mag-isa lang kaya.
Oh my god. There you go. There's that thing here.
Lapit tayo. Yung palapit konti. Palapit ko.
Punta ako. May taran ako. Walang sa mga bag.
Yeah, we can try.
Game, pamunta ako.
Back ako.
Talon.
Bakit ka pupunta? Next push natin to.
Wala tayong vision, bro.
Push it.
Na. Ayaw ko ito mag-play, oh.
Parang back to ba? Wala na. On the way. Oh!
Sorry.
Flash. Again, flash.
Akin yan, bro.
Flash.
Wait lang.
Ooh. Parating naboboner si Alexis ng ano eh.
Bigyan ng boners eh.
Parating naboboner.
Dito ako ah.
They gotta take. I gotta hit them more, man.
Keep doing that. Push it straight.
Papasok ako pag ano na ako ah.
Can you get that?
Get tayo pag they're low. Get tayo pag they're low.
Patay!
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Ito ako. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, I'm dead.
That's not good again.
Wow, what the heck? How did that happen, yo?
Yo, okay, I'm not doing that word thing, Alexis.
What? That happened? It happened before, after that, bro.
Yeah, but it's like a bait to me though.
The fails, yo?
It happened like much later after that.
Ah, man, I seriously was just there.
Wala. Di pa tapos. Still good, yeah.
Yo, stop fucking forcing. Pero saan ako?
Bago.
Hindi, makuha
Hindi
na
man
lang.
nakahuli ka dyan.
Low sila, yo.
So I had to go
man,
in.
This guy's like, get the word.
It happened like
Go na,
at least 15 seconds after that, bro.
Walang dragon yun.
Alright, yo, show me the replay, bro.
Stop arguing. Just very good.
And you use your
So let's go. Talaga, hindi na kaya.
Si Ash DPS ah. Si Ash dapat ina.
Nakam na yo. Oh, God.
Okay, napatay niya. Okay.
Got the axe, bro.
Ace na naman.
Yun na. Slow ball na tayo sa lead.
Yo, that fucking Trundle's rushing me, bro.
Kaya nga, pinipil ko si Jano, kaso. Oh my
Yo, I need feel, yo.
Natapos nila.
God. Wala silang lahat.
Oh, boy, now.
Ang idea.
meron silang ano, tanker.
Ang tao lang kaya nila. Yun lang.
Oh my gosh. Sayang. Yo, Baron in 45 seconds. Oh my gosh, triple kill. Yo, let's wait on the Baron pit. 40 seconds.
Super aggressive sila eh. Late lang ng timing kasi sila effective ng tao.
30 seconds, Baron.
Sige, punta. Hindi ka.
Push mo na, push mo na. Push mo na, continue.
All good.
Dalawang TP nila. Yo, Jano, kuha naman yung red.
Yeah.
10 seconds, 10 seconds. Go, 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 go. Bilisan lang, bilisan natin agad.
I got it.
Ay yan. See the pop drops.
Shit, meron na ako.
Tara, fixin natin ito, man.
It's your mid, yo. Wala na yung kupal na umaanoy kay Jano.
Yeah, man. Triangle lang tayo yung mga patay sa akin.
Lahat ako na ng elephant.
Ay, ward na naman eh.
Watch out, someone flanking.
Dito ako sa likod.
You guys wanna force fight this? Force fight it.
Wag yan, wag si Sai Johan.
Wag force fight, wag force fight.
What?
Wag.
What kind of shit was that?
Mamatay tayo.
Kuha ko. Huwag na. Baka pumiuman.
Tower. Tower lang.
Oh my gosh, LCS late. May baron tayo, bro. But I don't know.
Finish it.
Ito.
Atras.
So,
Oh my gosh, help me.
Atras konti. Si Jano mag-isa.
Oh my god.
Dito ka.
I took the tower. Back na.
Back na.
Just take it.
Wag na.
Tower, yo.
Oh my gosh. What's happening, yo? Oh my gosh. Got sniped.
Suwad pa kasi eh.
Oh.
Magpapatikat kasi ng ward.
Good. 50 seconds.
Kailangan mo din defensive item eh.
Nantok ng lolo.
Ay, kita ako. May ward.
Tara, focus natin po sa iyo. Drake.
Tara. Trag.
Drag. Let's.
Fight, no? Dito.
Bot.
Chillax lang. Kuha lang na objective.
Yo, I'm
Bro.
staying in the back eh.
Dikit ka lang sa akin, Jano, yun.
Dito.
Hindi ako susugot ang hindi ka sumusugot. Fuck this nigga! Knock, knock, knock.
Oh my gosh. Yo, we're right here.
Dito, dito sa akin.
We can't even hit them.
I believe in you guys. Come on, please win this fight. Please win. Please win.
Dahil nandito ako para sa'yo.
Yo, wala na si Ash ha. Wala na si Ash. Bamba na yan.
Oh my gosh, I'm dead.
Ash.
Oh my god, you're such a god. You're a god. You're tradition.
Move off my face.
You're here.
May dalang pala
Finish
siya.
it.
That's so sick, bro.
Yo, that was sick. Yo, watch out Lissandra though, Lissandra.
He's alive?
I got that on tape. I got that on tape.
Kinilan namin si Johnny, oh.
Kaya may si Lissandra, man. Utaka mo lang. Come on.
3 seconds.
My guard. Watch out for the white guard.
May TV ka? Yeah, Raymond. Hindi ka nag-dodge, bro.
It's okay, reading
Yo,
from
paano mo ito-touch yung multi?
Ito siya, eh, oh.
Tignan, di ako bumili ng defensive item ha. Sa likod lang talaga ako yun. Hindi ako papakamatay.
Nawal kami kanina ni Anivia. We couldn't even enter.
Likod nga ako, eh. Kasi nawala ko, eh. Mas wait ako kay Johnny ulit.
Yeah, yo, thanks salamat sa pilyo. Dalawa kayo eh. Sino ba yung dalawa na yun? Ako si Ramon eh.
Nah man, I don't feel for you.
Ako din, I feel for you, man. You're welcome, though.
Hindi ako nagpipil man.
See what they're doing? That's so stupid. Parang bigyan, no? Annoying.
Gusto ko pumatay next.
No, yo, what are you doing? Solo mission to.
Pero Baron is almost up, bro.
Yeah.
Tara, Baron.
Sige.
I-jump ko lang si Ash, wala na yung flash yun.
Wow. Keeping tabs of cool flash.
Laring sa
Like next level shit.
5 seconds, yo. Clear the words,
Get
Baron.
sweeper.
Ward up.
I make run.
Oh my gosh, you're dead.
Oh my god, bro.
Heal.
Oh, I can 100 to 0 this guy.
Just heal lang, man. Just speed. Just speed.
Sige, dito ako. Nag-jump ako sa backline nila.
Toto!
You're dead?
Yeah, bro. You see what they did? They just rushed me.
Dito ako.
Yo, add pala.
Yeah, don't worry. Huh?
Oh my gosh, okay lang.
Yung normal, stand here. There you go. Holy shit, ang lakas. Yo, naka-ult ka. Takbo. Lakas ang support nila. Stand mo, basta takbo. Stand.
That's sick, bro. That's sick.
Let's get tired.
Don't worry, man.
Good, man.
Isang team fight to the panalo.
Oh, Ashbot! Yo, where is
Yo, Baron. I'm sweeping. All. Nakita na, they know, but in pairs.
Patay na naman ako, man. Asa ka?
Yo, Anivia! Please. Nakataligod si Amos.
Nakita mo yung hero dyan.
Oh my gosh. Yo, back. Mamamatay kayo lahat. Oh, sir. Come on, back. Just few.
Araw. Araw na pala ako, never mind.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, I get bursted.
Oh, we got fucked by Anivia, bro.
Yo, Gian, yo.
Pwede ka na, di ba? Kaya mo yan. Wala na ako
They have no towers sa Inivio, so let's check.
Not Baron, you can push. Sina Baron ko.
Someone has burned.
Let's push this. Who cares about Drake? It's still 2.
Ang lakas nung heal ko kanina yun. Yun na wala na ang buhay.
Kaya tara, di pa nakuha yung dragon, man. Tara.
Wala na yan, man.
Wala, di pa nakuha.
Bakit mo? Dragon.
Wala pa.
Ako na.
Ayun, napunta natin. Tara.
Where did they go, man?
Nakapush lang tayo.
Yo, kailangan natin wards, man. Maka-flank tayo ulit.
Yo.
Walang X si Anivia.
Taling ko guys, si Anivia.
Mabilis lang yung CD nun. You gotta fight him.
Side. Don't just scare up. People sa side. Side tayo, side. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Oh, they don't know. They don't know about that. Let's go.
Wag. Back na. Okay, we're gonna lose this fight.
Takbo lang, takbo. Sige, Phil. Nice!
Oh, GG!
Si Atlantis lang yun.
Oh, man.
Ay, nakakuha ng plano dito. Tapos ng tower.
Paalam.
Bilang sila yun.
GG boys.
GG yun.
Sarap ba maglaro yan?
Tara.
Naglalag siya, bro.
We're done.